Hello friends, welcome to the session. In this session, we'll be discussing about block level tags in the HTML programming language. In this session, we will see how it is possible that we can assign a specific structure to our web page. We will see there are different tags that are available with the help of which we can view an appropriate structure to the web page. The paragraph tag, the line break tag, the headings tag, and there are different attributes available with these tags. So we will see how it is possible that we can make the use of these tags in order to assign the particular format for the web page. So such tag, we call them as the block level tags. So we will see what are the different block level tags, and we will see some programming examples, how these block level tags can be used. Friends, as you know that you are viewing this session on my YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to the channel so that you can watch many other educational videos. And these educational videos are prepared on the various topics of the subjects of electronics and computer science. So just by sitting at your home or whenever you have the time, then you can watch these videos and you can go on learning the topics. So there is a playlist, and in the playlist, we have the different subjects, and you can choose the playlist. And there are different videos according to the curriculums of different courses, and then you can watch these videos. So let us understand how it is possible to make the use of the different block level tags in the HTML. The block level tags are available in HTML, and we can make the use of them in order to have a specific structure to our web page. Because while writing also, while creating any document, you will find that we always give a specific structure to the document. So the web page will also have a specific structure, and that structure can be given by using the HTML programming language. So they are used to group the text for the specific role, such as some text can be heading, some text can be author address, some text can be author name, some text can be paragraph, or even there can be a table. So whenever we want to create any paragraph, then the paragraph can be created by enclosing the text in the p tag. So this is the starting p tag, and this is the end p tag. So whenever you have a several line code, and when you want to have this several line code to be enclosed in a paragraph, then you can make the use of this tag. So one has to remember that while writing the HTML program, if you have pressed enter, and when you go to the next line for writing something in the text editor, then that enter will not be treated as a separate paragraph. Otherwise, in a text editor, whenever we press enter, then that is being treated as a separate paragraph. But in this case, it will not be treated as a separate paragraph. So whenever you want to create a separate paragraph, then specifically in the HTML, you need to make the use of the p tag. Sometimes we do not want extra spaces. So in such a case, we can make the use of the break tag, br. So it will tell the browser to wrap the text that follows on to a new line without inserting any extra space. So for example, this is a small HTML code that is being used for the demonstration of the paragraph tag. This is the paragraph B, where we have written, this is the first paragraph. Its code continues over the several lines, but whenever it is displayed in the web browser, it will be displayed as a single paragraph. End of paragraph, then we are creating a new paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. So you will find that both the paragraphs will be displayed in the browser separately. Then we have made the use of the line break. And whenever you type this HTML code by using any text editor, and when you view appropriate path, and when you execute it by using the web browser, then you will find that it will be displayed something like this. So this is the first paragraph, this is the second paragraph. And then I have the other information that is being displayed with the help of the line break. So line break is just like the typewriter carry is written, and it will take you back to the left margin. The paragraph tag has an attribute, and this attribute is called as an align. It is possible that you can align the text either to the left, or you can assign it to the right, or you can assign it to the center. So whenever you make the use of the paragraph tab, and if you write align is equal to left, then the left alignment will be there, just like the normal text. If you make the use of the right, then the text will be assigned to the right margin, but no justified to the left. And if you make the use of the align is equal to center, then the text will be displayed at the center of the web page. So for example, you can make the use of this code where we have initially used the alignment attribute, align is equal to center. So the first paragraph will appear at the center of your web page. And when you make the use of the align is equal to left, then you will find that the second paragraph will be displayed with the left alignment. So you can easily observe how the difference is there. If you want to divide the web page into different sections, then you can make the use of the HR tag. So HR tag is the horizontal rule tag, or sometimes it is also called as the horizontal line. And the purpose of the HR tag is for the decorative purpose of the web page. So whenever you want to prepare some decorations, in that case, you can make use of this tag. So it will have several optional attributes. For example, you can specify the line thickness, or how much of the browser window it should span as in form of the percentage. So such type of things is possible. So for example, if I make the use of the horizontal line or horizontal rule, size is equal to 6, width is equal to 60%, then the content will be displayed as shown in this figure. So you just go on trying these different tags, you change the attributes, and see how the web page looks like. So go on doing the experiment, because that is the best way of learning the HTML programming. There are different heading tags. So web page can have maximum of 6 levels of heading. The headings are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So H1 is the highest level of heading. The text will be displayed larger, bolder than that of the other headings. So for example, if I display the text such as my name is, and you will find that the personal information. So for personal information, I will make the use of H1 heading. So you can easily observe that in the web browser, the personal information will appear in larger font size. Now, if you change the heading, then you will find that the size of the font will go on reducing. So H5 and H6, these are very small headings, and normally they are used for fine printing of the text, or whenever you want to print any legal notices, copyright issues, then in that case, you can make the use of H5 or H6. It is possible that you can make the use of alignment attribute with headings such as align is equal to left, align is equal to right, align is equal to center, or align is equal to justify. Justify alignment will make the text appear with smooth margin on both left and right side. So this is a simple code where we have made the use of H1, we have made the use of HR, and then we have displayed the different information in normal font also. So one can easily observe that the information will be displayed in the web browser or on your computer screen in this form. So thank you, friends, for viewing this session. Hopefully you have understood how to make the use of paragraph tab and heading tab whenever you want to create a specific formatted web page.